Hello everyone, it's Shauna again. I'm back with another Bath and Body Works review for Bath and Body Works much anticipated body care fragrance Pumpkin Pecan Waffle. So if you're new here, please like and subscribe for more Bath and Body Works and body care content and reviews. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys. Thank you so much. So I actually have the Fine Fragrance Mist and the body cream here. And let me just read you the scent description. It says, treat yourself. This irresistible fragrance is made with a dash of love, a pinch of heartwarming joy, and a spoonful of pure fun. That is such a cute description, and this fragrance is actually fun. The scent notes are maple syrup, golden waffles, pumpkin spice, and brown sugar. So the body cream retails for $15.50, and very fall-like packaging. I love the white background with the different colored pumpkins. So cute. Really adorable. There's little waffles on there. And the Fine Fragrance Mist retails for $15.50, and it's got one giant pumpkin on there. So I remember there was a lot of talk and anticipation about this coming out in body care last year, and I actually had the candle, which I melted and everything, and I did like it for my home. Now this actually smells exactly like the candle, so if you smell the candle, then you know the body care actually smells exactly like it. Now, what I will say about this, okay, let me just tell you what I get. Okay, you definitely get a waffle vibe. Like, you get that sweet syrup note, and you get a lot of butter with this. Now, I don't get much pecan from this, but I definitely get pumpkin. So this smells like a buttery pumpkin waffle, okay? And you know what? With the body cream, there may be, with the body cream, I think there is just a touch of the pecan note. But with the Fine Fragrance Mist, I really don't get any pecan. I get a buttery pumpkin waffle. Now, when you first spray it on, you're hit with pumpkin waffle deliciousness, fun. You know what I mean? You get that syrupy vibe. This is definitely foodie. So if you want to smell like food, you know, do this. Unless you don't want to smell like butter. In which case, I don't want to smell like butter. Like, it's fine for my house, and I like this in home fragrance, but for me personally, it's just too much butter. Because as this wore on, and it lasted a pretty long time too, I could still smell like a buttery waffle for about 3 hours. Too much butter, in my opinion. Too much butter, okay? Is this fragrance really fun? Yes. Is it unique? Yes. And you would definitely have to want to smell like a pumpkin, buttery, syrupy waffle in order to wear this. But as this wore on me, too much of that butter note came out, and I didn't really care for that because I don't want to smell like butter. But it's so fun, and it's like spot on for pumpkin waffles. But you have to ask yourself if you want to smell like butter, you know. And if you don't mind that butter note, then definitely pick this up. But I personally, no, I don't care for this in the body care, and it's kind of sad because I mean I enjoyed the candle, and I was like, yeah, I want to try that, I want to smell it, but yeah, it was just too much butter for my personal taste. I don't want to smell like butter. So, but it's comforting. It's comforting. It's fun. I'm glad I tried it. going back and forth. I think I'll keep the body cream because I got less butter in the body cream than I did with the mist. So I think the mist is going back. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to exchange this. But it's fun, and it definitely smells like a pumpkin waffle. So it's pretty cool that they can make, you know, body care that smells like food. I do enjoy food scents. Like, I love berry waffle cone, but I lean more towards the sweet food rather than like the rich, buttery scents. So yeah, that's my review of pumpkin pecan waffles, and please let me know what you think. I love to hear what you guys' opinion on it, because you may be absolutely in love with this one. You may be absolutely in love with it, and if you are, I can totally understand that. It's just the butter. Yeah, I don't want to smell like a buttery waffle. So thank you so much for hanging out with me, and if you found this content helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, friends.